Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. Today in this video, we will explain whether you can buy a condo with a VA loan and if so, what the eligibility criteria are. If you are a veteran or an active duty service member, you might be wondering, can you buy a condo with a VA loan? The good news is, yes, it is possible, but there are some important rules and eligibility criteria you need to know. In this video, we'll break down everything in simple terms. How VA loans work for condos, what requirements you need to meet, and how to find VA-approved condos. Let's get started. To provide detailed information on whether a condo can be purchased using a VA loan, we have brought you to this website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On the right-hand side of this website, you will find several articles related to banking. There is an article titled, "Can you buy a condo with a VA loan? Complete Guide for 2025. When we scroll down in this article, it starts by answering the question, can you buy a condo with a VA loan? Yes, you can. VA loans are a great choice for veterans and active duty service members who want to buy a condo. Scrolling down further, the article provides detailed information on what condos are and the benefits of purchasing a condo using a VA loan. Further down, there is a subheading, can you buy a condo with a VA loan? Where it states, yes, you can purchase a condo using a VA loan. The process of buying a condo with a VA loan is quite similar to purchasing any other type of home. However, it is crucial to note that the condo complex must meet VA approval criteria. This approval is in place to safeguard eligible VA loan borrowers, ensuring that the Homeowners Association (HOA) associated with the condo does not pose an undue burden. It's important to understand that the VA's approval rules also extend to cover townhouses. Next, let's check the eligibility criteria for this. The article states, to buy a condo by VA loan, there are specific eligibility requirements beyond those for single-family homes. Here are the main requirements for VA loan eligibility when purchasing a condo. After that, the article provides detailed information about the required documentation. You can pause the video and read all this information carefully. Then, it explains the minimum property requirements, which you can also review in detail. Following this, the article discusses occupancy and HOA requirements, which you should also go through. You can either pause the video to read all this information or find the article link in the description to access it directly. Scrolling further down, you will find a step-by-step guide explaining the entire process of purchasing a condo using a VA loan. You can use this information to apply for a VA loan. The article also provides details on the specific requirements a condo must meet to qualify for a VA loan. So, friends, this is how we learn that a condo can be purchased with a VA loan, but there are certain special criteria that must be met, which we have explained in detail in this video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.